And Comanche 97
and J-Hebrew 95 presents.
I'm Anakin 97.
And I'm J-Hebrew 95. This is one of those recordings of that thunderstorm that was pretty destructive. Trees were on fire near the area I was in the pond. And one guy was actually stupid enough to actually go canoeing and then just
died.
No, he didn't die, but he luckily he was able to survive. And then there was a tornado behind my house. Not a very damaging one. It was an F0, but it kind of almost broke a tree in half. It's basically all the damage it could have done. Then you probably saw it on Fox 25 News for anybody who lives in the Massachusetts area about Braintree, and it's destructive from that windstorm. Houses on fire, wildfires, all that. All made by thunderbolts and windstorms. And so this is the thunderstorm. Enjoy.
It is recording. Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Whoa! I saw that. It was like a little place, and it just. I think this is gonna make it. Thunderstorm. Remember the folder for thunderstorms? You made it, right?
Yeah, we don't need lightning for this week. Just need thunder. Holy crap, dude.
Should we delete the other one, James?
Oh, did you see that?
No.
The one that we messed up on?
Oh, don't delete that one. Just keep recording.
It is. Although, I'm on my new screen, so I'll just have to somehow move it.
What new screen?
I have two screens. My one for YouTube videos, and then mine for I was going to have my old one for YouTube videos. So
Are you recording from the Dell webcam or the YouTube webcam?
the Dell webcam.
Alright.
So we'll just upload it to YouTube, and then
Alright, well,
should I delete this after or save it?
We cannot keep talking while we're doing this. It's a little late.
Yeah, just let's watch.
Whoa.
I know.
Quiet. Quiet for once.
Let's let the.
Quiet for once.
You know who's talking.
I'm gonna watch it on my computer.
It didn't stop it, did it?
No. I said I'm watching it record on my computer.
That doesn't make sense.
Whoa! No, you know how?
Well, that probably destroyed the computer, I take it.
No.
Wow, that's pretty amazing.
My computer's strong, although the living room one's on. We have a living room. James, you know our living room computer? It's on.
What about the other one? Your laptop one?
It's on. We only one computer's on in our living room. Mine and the other one.
Hear that running sound?
Shh.
Did you hear that? I was outside and I heard it.
We're recording.
Hey James,
What?
I heard that right outside. I was outside.
Patrick! You talk too loud.
I was outside and I knew you were gonna call. Because I knew how when it's lightning.
I know, I had a feeling he was gonna call.
You said Mike was there, right?
Yes. No, I was outside when it happened.
You've got to check this out.
I'm here. I'm at the window. I was outside when it happened.
Wow, that was quick. Whoa.
Hey, no. I was outside when the biggest lightning bolt happened.
And the biggest lightning bolt got recorded.
So I heard it.
What? My dog's barking from lightning.
Oh, cool.
Guys, Michael, we knew it was gonna rain thunder out today, right?
Yeah.
Because we were outside and it started. Patrick made it rain and thunder. He literally did with the hose.
Dude, hey, you gotta get over to you there. This is like rock. So like a bunch of wet. Harmon. Let's go
What?
outside and see.
Go outside.
It's just like a windstorm now.
You're funny. Go outside.
I'm not going outside, James.
Probably.
Hey Thomas, our screws are getting washed.
What about
Hey Dad, we predicted
I know, Patrick jinxed us.
What?
Patrick sprayed the hose and it rained, and then it started raining and thunder.
Did you see that?
Jen, we're recording.
Did you see Daddy me out
We're
there?
recording it.
Did you see Daddy me out there?
Yeah, we're recording
Hey,
Thunderstorm.
Michael,
Okay.
Did you see Daddy me
Jen,
out
No
there?
sound though, no sound, right?
Yeah, just you might want to get your arms off
Okay.
so it doesn't interfere with the recording,
Right.
right,
Wait,
James?
Joe.
this is not
Yeah.
storm.
I was lucky.
People, this is the biggest thunderstorm yet to be recorded from Anakin Bounty 97.
I think there's like a tornado nearby or something.
Is there a tornado?
Well, yeah, there is. There's gotta be. So there's like, this doesn't really happen often.
It happened like before. It rained like this before, right?
And I can tell because it's like, the tornado like touched down somewhere. I'm not sure if it's like at the lake or something, but,
Oh well, it's being recorded.
well, yeah, I know, but, oh, crap, the wind is, you don't have the, do you have the screen open right now, right?
What?
You have the screen open right now?
Whoa! Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, the screen is open, right? Like, well, not the screen, but like the window's open, right?
No, it's you can see outside the window.
Yeah, but I was talking about hearing the thunderstorm, like thunderbolts. Could you hear them?
Yeah, you can.
They were pretty loud, probably.
Yeah, well, obviously.
I don't want to go home.
What?
I'm afraid I can start my
You idiot.
Not normal.
Hey guys, we have a problem.
You know what? I'm gonna go down to the cellar. I'll hold on.
Going down to the cellar.
Hey,
James.
guys! Oh, check out the wind. It looks like a windstorm.
Whoa!
Whoa, what?
Guys, this is being recorded.
Oh,
Right now, we gotta check it out.
thing!
Guys, this is like being recorded, man.
There's no tornado behind the house.
Get the door table!
No, there's no tornado behind the house. It's just a huge windstorm.
Guys, this is like,
Oh, it is.
you can't really see it on the window, but
I'm checking it out right
you
now.
can't really see it on the window, but
Okay, wait.
it's humongous. Everybody, this is the gigantic windstorm. You can't see it really, but we are telling you there is.
What are you hiding from, Michael?
Oh, I think we got all of it. You there?
Yeah, but we haven't gotten all of it yet, so start recording it again.
It already is.
Oh, alright.
And me! I was the first one!
Your area? Thomas?
Where are you, Patrick?
Yo, guys.
Yeah?
Yo, Patrick.
Yeah?
Did the wind pick up?
You took my laptop without asking me.
Yeah, I was down outside cutting the hedges. And then we saw something. We saw
Patrick!
something as big as lightning bolt.
Put it down.
Twice.
Dude, that's not
Do it! And three! Bam! This!
Get off me.
I'm going to try to...
James, Michael, leave it open.
You'll see it.
Okay, and it right there.
Alright, so
You'll see it.
the rain seems to be kind of, it's stopped now. The entire thing is just
Should we end it now?
precipitation.
James, should we?
Why don't you just witness through that window, that specific window?
It's still going.
When it was mentioned, thunderstorm, windstorm, rain shower,
Patrick!
storm, all in one damaged storm. Alright. Stop it!
I don't know you're in. Anakin Bounty 97.
J-Heat at 95.
And crab.